Thank you for your interest in Infor MP2 and EAM solutions. This is a brief introduction to the Infor MP2 package, a standard in CMMS. EAM Solutions is a gold channel partner to Infor and a professional services group dedicated to the Infor asset management line of software, including MP2 and all add-on products. For your organization, MP2 will provide a complete equipment management and work order management system, full work order preventive maintenance and spare parts inventory capability, employee scheduling for optimized work orders, balance between maintenance and production schedules, full tracking of your spare parts inventory, and analysis on how much it costs for you to maintain your equipment. MP2 is installed on your local server, giving you complete control over the application. This is a client-server application and can be made available throughout your facility or across multiple facilities. MP2 is built on a Microsoft SQL database, and many standard reports are created using Crystal Reports, an industry-standard tool that allows you to create custom reports and charts. And most forms and menus can be configured through security to meet your business process needs. And now let's take a quick tour of Infor MP2. If you want a more in-depth demonstration of MP2, then one of our representatives can schedule a one-on-one session with you. The first screen most users will see is the Quick Access bar. This is a configurable list of shortcuts to commonly used forms, reports, and graphs. Each user can build a personal Quick Access bar and can even create shortcuts to applications outside of MP2. Anyone who schedules work, completes work orders, or manages inventory will be listed in the Employee module. This is not a human resources function, but you can track charge rates for work performed against equipment. You can also track employee training and contact information through this module. The heart of the application is the equipment record. This is the record you create for tracking repairable equipment. You can track a tremendous amount of information about each equipment item, including runtime meters, safety information, nameplates, physical location, or even financial data. MP2 maintains a running history on all equipment, including a roll-up of all costs and man-hours spent servicing each item. The work order form allows you to track ad hoc or scheduled maintenance against equipment. You can issue parts, book labor, and schedule when work will be done directly on the work order. If you don't want paper, then consider Pocket MP2, which lets you process and complete work orders from a Windows mobile device. Instead of creating work orders as needed, MP2 lets you schedule repetitive work by calendar dates or by meter readings through the task form. You can create standard instruction lists to print with each work order. A single equipment item may have more than one task or PM schedule, depending on your equipment and maintenance needs. You can also match standard material lists for spare parts needed on PM work orders. The MP2 inventory function is a complete module for tracking, issuing, and receiving spare parts, which are often called MRO. Through the inventory function, you can quickly find where parts are located in the warehouse or parts crib, and even see if another facility has your needed parts. Parts can also be restocked through a min-max or reorder point method. MP2 can even create requisitions as needed to keep spare parts on hand. Security in MP2 is based on roles or user groups, and you can configure forms and menu access by role. Employees are assigned to a security role as well as to their designated site, warehouse, and purchasing center. The purchasing function has its own special security features that help you control how parts and services are procured and received. So far, all of the modules shown are standard for Infor MP2 and do not have to be purchased separately. Other standard modules include full purchasing capability, from quotation to requisition to purchase order, and includes service contracts. Statistical predictive maintenance, or SPM, for monitoring equipment conditions, which in turn provide predictive maintenance capability. Work order scheduling to help better organize work demands, resource availability, and part orders. Document attachments for printing out special documents or images with work orders and other reports. Fixed asset tracking for when your accounting group needs to keep up with repairable equipment under a separate numbering scheme. And failure analysis based on standard lists of codes, which gives you capability for tracking mean time between failure and mean time to repair. Infor MP2 can also grow with your organization. Add-on modules include MP2 WebLink, a web-architected tool for creating and tracking work requests, work orders, and purchase requisitions. MP2 Messenger for releasing predefined email messages through your mail server. Pocket MP2 for mobile work orders, inventory management, and meter data collection on a Windows mobile device, and barcode generation for creating and printing barcode labels. We appreciate your time today for this simple presentation on Infor MP2. For more information, please send us a message at sales@eamsolutions.net. We can schedule a more detailed presentation and provide you with quotes on licensing and services. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to helping you get the most from your maintenance organization through Infor MP2.